Noah Bierquist reporting from Newsroom 20 at Black Duck School. Here at Newsroom, we have just received some breaking weather news. Weather models show that there is a blizzard heading our direction. With this type of storm, you can expect 3 feet of snow. There will be heavy or blowing snow. Wind speed will be greater than 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Visibility will be less than a quarter of a mile. The duration will be longer than 3 hours. It is important to prepare for this type of storm because it is freezing outside. In 1888, a blizzard dumped 40 to 50 inches of snow. Did you know that winds can be a gentle breeze or a strong gale? Also, they make a whistling sound. With proper preparation, our town will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at Newsroom 20 at Black Duck School or check NOAA Weather Radio for the most current news and updates about this storm. Your news reporter, Noah Bierquist.